We are here with Professor Ariadne Malamitsi-Puchner. She has just finished his lecture, Growth Factor, in a session with the title The Magic of Maternal Milk, which is a fascinating title, isn't it?
It is, indeed, because maternal milk is fascinating and breastfeeding is also fascinating. And as I ended with in my talk, maternal milk is also holy. So we should give the baby what actually nature has decided for him or her.
So what's the key points of your lecture?
Which are the key points is that maternal milk has, among other beneficial factors, has also growth factors which support growth and development of the infant. So the babies which receive maternal milk get all these factors which are important for as nutrients for his or her growth and development, but also protect this child from later onset obesity and metabolic disorders. That's what actually the key is. These are the 2 points, not only at the very early time, but also later in life. Breast milk that the baby received after birth is important for his health or her health.
Thank you very much indeed, Professor.
Thank you.